Happy... What today? Monday? Tuesday?
Tuesday.
Happy Tuesday morning, guys. We are here in Alberta, Airdrie. Grabe kahapon. Umalis kami ng 3:30 in the morning.
Yes.
Nakarating kami rito sa Alberta ng 9 o'clock in the evening.
Sa hotel.
Sa hotel.
Kasi, diba,
Kaya
tayo
puro
sa...
pagod. Hindi na
Morning,
makaalis ng
guys.
hotel. Sobrang pagod.
Kasi, lumana tayo sa Lake Louise, di ba?
Pero nagpunta kami sa Lake Louise. Kung nakita niyo yung mga videos namin, nagpunta kami sa Lake Louise. Tsaka, marami kaming stopover eh. On the way here, kaya nagtagal kami. Guys, gusto ko nyo pakita sa inyo yung Alberta compared sa British Columbia. Tingnan nyo dito sa Alberta. Almost flat. Ayan, no? Wala mga bundok. Wala akong nakikita ng bundok. Parang flat siya, but the sky is clear. Very clear. Anyway, mamaya lalabas kami. Pupunta kami ng Banff. So, hopefully, maganda yung mga makikita namin sa Banff. And i-share namin sa inyo mamaya. Okay? See you later, guys!
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing. Screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it. I knew.
Hello guys! Nandito na tayo sa Banff, sa mismong town village. Papansin nyo, wala si na mami kasi pinababa ko na sila na una akong mag-park. So ngayon papunta na ako sa kanila. Ibablog ko yung mga streets dito sa Banff. Nakakatawa kasi parang nasa Europe eh. Nandito in Canada, pero parang nasa Europe. Ang ganda ng lugar. Halika, try ko na ipakita sa inyo. Rai Rai, hi! Where are you, Rai Rai? Oh my goodness. Ay, si Damani, oh. Say hi, ate. Hello. Ganda sa bump, guys, oh.
Downtown Bam.
Para kang nasa abroad. Nasa Canada. Kantao. May kaleso. Banff Asian Market. So kung may gusto kayong bilhin na mga Pinoy products, punta lang kayo dito sa Banff Asian Market dito sa Banff. Tingnan yung color ng river. It's emerald. Look at the color of the river, ma'am. Wait. Ay, dapat pala dito. Ang ganda, oh. Hi! Ready? Ready na? Welcome to the Cascade Garden. And it's a castle! Pare, baba! Hello, looks like the Hatley Castle. Oh, the view here is better, Mami, oh. Wow, look at the view. Ganda, oh. Gitnang-gitna. Stay, saan kayo dito sa gitna? Yan yung bridge.
Can we go under the bridge?
No, we cannot. Ganda, oh. Picture, picture. Ganda. Hello guys! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Bow Falls River, 1 kilometer away mula sa Banff Town Center. So, hi guys! Pakita natin yung view sa inyo. Ang ganda, oh. Ah! Ayan.
Can I go down?
Okay, but don't go to the water.
I'm overheated, can hardly
yellow green. Kanola daw yan.
Yan yung ginagawang canola oil.
Tatak Banff, Canada. Tatak Alberta. Mountain Dew. Hindi Mountain Dew, kundi Mountain Dew. Kape na may halong alak. Ikaw ba'y patutulugin ng alak o gigisingin ng kape? Hindi na kayo! Wait! Wait!
Please don't do it! He is doing it! You see?
Kapeng may alak.
We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top.